What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create custom uniform in Madden NFL 26. To edit uniforms, start from the main menu and go into the creation center. Once you're there, open players and uniforms. Then choose edit current uniforms. This section is where all the customization options for team uniforms are located. After entering it, you'll see two editable slots for every team, custom home and custom away. These are the only uniforms you can actually modify, and they will show up in your games once you save them. Madden 26 doesn't offer full uniform creation, so you won't be able to redesign a team from scratch, change official colors, swap logos, or import custom artwork. Instead, editing works by selecting from preset uniform pieces that already exist in the game. These pieces include helmets, jerseys, pants, socks, cleats, and sometimes alternates or retro accessories. The options vary by team. Some have lots of alternate or throwback combinations, while others have a handful. Still, you can mix and match across all the presets to create a unique look for home and away. When customizing, each section shows a list of available styles. You can preview each piece before confirming it, and the preview updates immediately on the player model, so you can see how the full set looks together. After finishing both the home and away versions, back out and save your changes so the custom uniforms become available when you start a game in Play Now or Franchise. This is the complete process for editing uniforms in Madden 26, and within the game's limitations, it's the best way to create fresh team looks for your gameplay. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.